In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay with Expedia to pay for any booked hotels, flights or stays. So make sure to follow along to learn how to check if Apple Pay is available at checkout and learn how to complete your booking safely and easily. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is come across to Expedia and log into your account. From here, what you want to do is just go ahead and book your flight or stay as normal. So in this example, I'm just going to choose a hotel stay. So we just select where you're going, the dates and the amount of travelers. Once that's done, click onto search and of course just continue through the steps to start your booking. So in this example, we're just going to go for this hotel here. And what I'm going to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom, reserve a room, and once that's done, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Now, if you do have Apple Pay available to use with Expedia, of course this does depend on your country, you're going to see it in the payment details section. So from here, I will put my check-in details and my phone number, and on payment details, you can see in the list of payment methods available, we have the option for Apple Pay. So what I would do is select it from here, and then I would scroll down all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, it says buy with Apple Pay. So what I would do is give that a click and then of course go through the steps to pay for my booking with Apple Pay. So that is how to use Apple Pay with Expedia. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.